Come on, coffee.
That's true.
No, Jeff.
I can't look at him.
Don't look.
I can't breathe.
Holy cow, is that ever a big pile of ice cream? It's 3:30 almost in the morning. We're gonna go up to Cadillac, the top of Cadillac Mountain, and watch the sunrise. Tater, not ready. Can't get that boy to wake up.
Good morning, everybody. We all got up at 3 a.m. We're going to Cadillac Mountain to watch the sunrise. It's a little before 4 a.m. and we're getting ready to go to Cadillac Mountain. And look at all these people in line waiting to go up. That's incredible. No sun yet, but we got a moon.
Look at this wind. You gotta hold the chairs. That's just crazy. There's one out here to see the sunrise. That is just
Thank you for touring. Mike, we need you to parkour when you get out and run.
Oh my, that's a big drop. Something didn't work on the tour, yeah?
Oh.
big one.
Parkour!
Go ahead, Jen. You're already getting new knees.
There you go.
You're a master.
Did you guys get our text?
No.
Oh.
We asked where the extra toilet paper was.
Yes. Just went to the Walmart and I got my slide-in pickup camper in the back. I went and bought a generator so I can run it because my Generac died. I don't recommend getting the Generac 3300i because it's on like its 6th repair in a year. So we're gonna go with the Predator. But when I was coming out, I spied with my little eye this bad little camper right here. But this is what I spied. It's got a wood burning stove.
Hold up 1 second, we need to grab a hat.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, we need helmets in case you fall.
Gary's gonna go get a hat. We're gonna go do the Beehive hike, I believe. I did, yes. We're gonna go do the Beehive hike, right?
Yep, Beehive hike. It's only 1.5 miles long, but it's going to be pretty intense.
Yeah,
It's a mile and a half,
all
the whole
uphill.
The whole thing is 1.5 miles loop.
Oh, 75, yeah, point. 3/4 of a mile
I
uphill.
want to take a...
Oh my word.
Trying to deal with this.
Stepped in a mud puddle right away. Well folks, here we are on the Beehive Trail. Starts out super rocky and then we get into some elevation and the climbing bars. Takes 3/4 of a mile to get up there.
Yeah, I think that's what you said.
Looks like fun. Looks like the dog didn't make it. Probably doesn't show that in the video, but the trail is like
This
this.
is the marker. Left is the backside, right is the beehive.
Hey Mike, stand so we can see how steep it is. That's Mike standing up, so it's like a 25-30% grade right here.
Whoa. Wait a minute. I want to see how far we've come.
Better mission.
Sand beach.
Seen on Instagram. Picture.
There isn't. 1,000 people went before you. No bugs.
Okay, be careful. Lindy, on the other side of the rock. Over here? Yep.
I know, but my legs don't work as good. Good job, Lindy.
It's easier to walk
Got it.
and not hug the wall.
I'm just afraid.
Yeah, you're doing great.
It's a long drop.
You're doing good.
Here it is.
Slippery,
Yeah,
and they're going downhill.
yeah.
It's kind of creepy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I wasn't looking down. That was my thing. Not gonna look down.
I'll break my
Good job, Mike.
Right.
I'm shaking so bad. I'm shaking so bad. Holy cow.
Nope.
I think we're almost to the top.
Get to the top. There
Look
you
at
go.
that.
Right here.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, Mike.
Good job. Ah.
Here's today.
Ah.
Look at this view.
Holy cow. Be careful, guys.
Good job, glampers.
It's quite narrow. And it is a heck of a long way down.
Now you want to go so you step up in. Michael, you good? Okay, grip right here. And then grip right here.
Good job, everybody.
Might be able to. Similar in Virginia.
Or you can get Mike behind you.
Wasn't this sketchy though?
Still.
This is sketchier because
Yeah, it is.
you're not on the edge, like you're not fall. You got these massive walls you gotta get around.
Right.
No, Jeff.
I can't look at him.
Don't look.
I can't look at him.
Okay, you're good.
No,
You're good. We're good. Okay.
smokes.
Yeah. Holy smokes is right. Okay.
We're good. Just be careful.
Going this way.
You can put your phone away before.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, if you get in here and you don't want to let go, look at me. Go here. And I can
Just stay right there for a minute. Yep. Be careful because your knee's bleeding.
As long as
Here's this bar, not that wood.
yeah, as long as this bar doesn't come out of this rock.
Good job, babe. Talk about conquering some fears today. Woohoo! Good job, babe. Here, give me your hand. You gotta
Afraid to
stand.
let go because I'm shaking so bad.
Okay, come over here. Now take a left. You can sit right there if you want. All right, glampers. Nice job, Joni. You did it, babe. Nope. Go up, Joni, with your hands on the top. There you go. That right hand's a foothold. Case this right here. Walk up this. Give me your hand. I got you. Go for the resting. Nice job, Mike. Woohoo! Conquered some fears today, didn't you, babe?
Halfway. Not as bad as you think. Even though I'm out of breath.
It's steep. It's very steep. I think it's more nerves that has me out of breath. But it's all good.
Let's roll.
Lindy's doing great.
Yeah, it's amazing. Come on, glampers. This section I was able to put some steps for you guys.
Did you?
Yeah, I mean you already did those bars and everything.
I think that they're just holding the rock.
Oh, that's what
Believe it or
those were
not.
for, to hold the rocks together?
That's what I think. I can't tell that that's a dip.
This is.
Tony, please be careful.
Mike's there. You catch her. Dude's a tank. Good job, Joni. You got a tree here if you want.
You can sit in a second. Yeah.
Good job, Mike. Good job, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
I'll go.
We haven't died yet.
No.
It's a miracle. It's a stinking miracle. We're alive.
Cannot believe that my wife is climbing up this. Look at this, you guys. Look at it. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, a cruise ship.
Yep. I took a video of that at the last.
How was it?
Terrifying, but I did it.
Yes.
I did it.
Woohoo!
Good job, guys.
Holy.
Okay, do the Rocky.
know what the rock is.
You gotta run up the last few steps.
I don't think I
Come on, Mike.
have it in me.
Let's Rocky it up. Come on, Mikey. All right, where's the chili dogs? You guys brought them? Dang, no vending machine.
That was tough.
They forgot the chili dogs.
Man, that's the only reason we came.
Beehive Summit. Good job, Michael.
Made it.
You'd actually make it. I'm not lying.
We have proof.
Oh
The
my gosh.
hardcore proof. I got your butt in all the photos.
Yeah. Yeah. I was hugging them rocks, man. Holy cow. Whew.
Keeps up on the trail, but
Just step over.
There it
Hey
is.
everybody, where are we?
Top of
Beehive Trail!
I forgot.
Conquered!
We're at the top of the Philadelphia stairs, right, Rocky?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. There's Sand Beach in the background.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Oh my word, we made it.
Good job, everybody.
Here we are at
Mainly
Meats
barbecue.
Barbecue. There's cooking.
We were here. Look, they have a dog menu.
Look at that, a doggy menu. We did not bring the doggies today, but look at this cute little area with the birch trees. They cut them into through the floor.
Milo.
That's really
came
cool.
soon after opening in May. I think
That's cool.
I was cooking breakfast.
Cornbread. You heard me right. That's what I said. If I'm gonna die before I'm dead, give me one more slice of hot cornbread. Woo! We miss you, Mark. I'm glad you did good with your surgery.
Mark, this is excellent cornbread.
You need to come to Maine. Where are we? Bar Harbor or something?
Yep.
Yep.
Mm. Holy cow! Is that ever a big pile of ice cream? Whoopie in paradise? Oh my word!
And of course, you never offer any other thing. It says nope. She goes, you don't, did you use the trains on?
Looks like it was successful.
I don't.
Like this, Joni?
Well, no, it's the other guy.
Up or down?
This?
Well,
Yay.
it was.